Today we have the 2018 Audi Q3. This vehicle has done just under 75,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, our 4 different driving modes, media, smartphone integration, navigation and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control,